Start out by giving you the similarities of the M56X. Both of them in 2012, and I'm certain its other years are the same. And the FX50S. I had a problem with it wouldn't start, and it was saying that the brakes weren't on and that it wasn't, and the ignition wouldn't start. So what I did is I switched the ones out of the M series on this one. And as you can tell, so you can find it for you real quick. It's right here on the brake. So if you hit the brake pedal, you follow it up, right? Just follow it up. And there's two switches right there. I don't know if you see them. There's 1, 2, right? And those tell the car that you've got the brakes on. So it will not start without that on. So, or if that switch goes bad, and they do go bad. So the dealer, you can tow it to a dealer and have them do it for about $400, or you can do it yourself for the parts on eBay for about $60. Now my starter went out on this. That's why I did it. Is the starter was acting up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking this off. I'll do better video as I go. But I'm gonna took the cover off. I'm gonna take the intake plenums off of these. And I'm going to cover up all my holes like this. So every time I take something, I'm going to cover it up so that it doesn't get anything in there. Now, what I got to do is I got to take the intake off. This here off. I'm going to take this off to get to the starter, which is underneath it, behind. And I won't know if that's my problem for this particular situation until I actually get to the starter. It wasn't clicking. So when I did hit the start, it wasn't clicking, and then I bought the new switches, put those in, and it now clicks. So it's trying to start, it just doesn't. It won't do it. Battery's 12.2 volts. We know it's not the battery. And these have got some bolts down here that I got to get to. There's 5 on each side, and I believe those are the 5 I got to work with to get this thing flipped up and over. I will take some more video. It's gonna be kind of rude. It's my first time I've ever done a video, and hopefully if there's something you guys see that that's easier, you could have done easier, add to this, because I like, there's not much forums out here for the FX50s or the M56Xs, these dual intakes on the V8s. They got a lot of Titan ones, but nothing for us. So hopefully this will be helpful and you guys can add to it. Thank you.